Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to describe about bank merger once again. Government may restructure PSU banking sector. 12 public sector banks could become 5 stronger banks. Introduction. India's public sector banking sector may witness another major transformation as discussions around consolidation, stronger balance sheets, and improved global competitiveness gain momentum. According to media reports, the government may consider a fresh banking reform committee that could examine the possibility of merging 12 public sector banks into 5 larger institutions. The discussions also include the possibility of reviewing foreign investment limits in PSU banks, with reports suggesting consideration of increasing the FDI cap from the existing level to 49% while maintaining government control. The objective behind such reforms is expected to be creating bigger, stronger, and more competitive Indian banks capable of supporting the next phase of economic growth, improving technology options, strengthening risk management, and enhancing lending capacity. Why another PSU bank merger discussion is the earlier consolidation process changed the structure of public sector banking in India. In 2019 to 20, several banks were merged to create larger entities with stronger capital, wider networks, and improved operational efficiency. For example, Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India were merged into Punjab National Bank. Syndicate Bank merged with Canara Bank. Allahabad Bank merged with Indian Bank. Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank merged with Union Bank of India. The next phase, if approved, may focus on fewer but larger banking institutions that can compete with global banks and support India's expanding economy. Possible 12 PSU banks into 5 banks, possible merger structure, speculative. Note the following combinations are only an analytical possibility based on size, geography, business similarity, and strategic fit. These are not official merger announcements. First, State Bank of India plus Bank of India plus Central Bank. Possible future mega bank, SBI led banking group. Astrological style interpretation, a combination of a very large national network bank with strong legacy institutions, may represent stability, authority, and expansion energy. Such a merger could create a powerful institutions with deep rural reach, international presence, and stronger corporate lending capacity. Second, Bank of Baroda plus Indian Overseas. Possible future mega bank, West plus South banking combination. Astrological sign Astrological style interpretation. This combination reflects balance between tradition and expansion. A bank with strong domestic presence joining with a south oriented institution may create a wider customer base and improve regional strength. Third, Punjab National Bank versus UCO Bank. Possible future mega bank, Northeast expansion model. Astrological style interpretation. This merger pattern suggests consolidation of heritage banking strength with emerging growth areas. It may improve operational efficiency, technology integration, and market penetration. Fourth, Canara Bank versus plus Bank of Maharashtra. Possible future mega bank, regional strength to national. Astrological sign interpretation. The combination indicates a practical and balanced approach where established networks merge with regional expertise. It may create a stronger retail, banking, and MSME focused institution. Fifth, Union Bank of India plus Indian Bank plus Punjab and Sindh Bank. Possible future mega bank, diversified public sector banking giant. Astrological style interpretation. This structure represents transformation through integration. A larger customer base, wider branch network, and diversified portfolio may bring long-term growth opportunities. Possible impact of increasing FDI limit in PSU banks. Another important discussion point is increasing foreign investment participation in PSU banks. Reports indicate that the government has considered increasing the FDI limit in public sector banks from the current level to 49% while maintaining government majority ownership. Possible benefits: A. More capital availability for expansion. B. Better technology investment. C. Stronger global partnerships. D. Improved competitiveness against private banks. E. Faster digital banking transformation. However, government control and public interest remain important considerations. Who could be a part who could be part of banking reform committee? Media reports suggest a possible committee may include experienced banking and financial sector professionals, including senior officials and former banking leaders, with the purpose of reviewing efficiency, governance, and competitiveness of PSU banks. The committee's broader vision could be aligned with creating stronger financial institutions for India's future and growth requirements. Conclusion: a possible new chapter in India's PSU banking journey may be developing with discussions around creating fewer but stronger banks. If implemented carefully, consolidation could improve efficiency, capital strength, and global competitiveness. However, a successful merger depends not only on size but also on smooth integration of employees, technology systems, customer services, and organizational culture. The future of Indian banking may move towards bigger, smarter, and more competitive institutions while continuing the objective of financial inclusion and economic growth. Disclaimer: this article is based on media reports, public discussions, and analytical interpretation. No official merger list or final government decision has been announced regarding specific PSU bank combinations. The possible merger examples and astrological observations are speculative in nature and should not be considered financial advice, investment recommendations, or official predictions. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.